Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Nataya. So let's get into this review. So today we're going to be doing a review from Luvme here. They were kind enough to send me over this wig, and this is a package. The packaging was very luxurious and very nice. They sent me a nice letter, just thanking me for working with them and stuff like that. It was really cute. I really love the purple envelope and stuff like that. It was really nice, and I thought it was just so cute. And then this is the protective bag for your wigs. You do get that in the package as well. And just another card, to thank you for purchasing. And you get how to care and style your wig, a wig cap. And they did send a special little gift in a purple box because I was wondering what it was. And when I opened it, I realized that it was a paddle brush, which I needed a paddle brush, and I was happy that I got this one, so I have to go out and buy one. I mean, that's awesome, I think. So let's get into the main event. So the main event is this 10-inch Yaki bang bob wig. The hair on this is a Yaki texture. It feels so nice. It looks natural. The movement, it comes with this lace that is already pre-bleached. So you don't have to do anything to this wig. It does have 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 on the back. It does come with adjustable straps and that elastic band, so it is completely glueless. So this is the wig, baby. She is looking nice already just out of the package. I'm just going to go ahead and pop it on my head. No glue is required. You don't need no glue to wear this one. You don't need no glue to install this one. She's just easy to put on. Like in less than a minute, you could just pop it on your head, Luvme here is known for providing you with affordable wigs that are easy to wear, easy to install, and this is what the wig is looking like straight out the pack, like just out the pack, popping on my head. It does have a few crinkles here and there, but nothing too crazy. And you want to use your flat iron to make sure you kind of straighten the hair a little, kind of bump the ends, kind of, not too much, but slightly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This was one of the quickest installs I've ever done, to be honest, and I really like how the hair moves. Like, that's my favorite part of it, the movement of the hair. Child, when I tell you, I kept shaking that thing over and over. Every time I move my hair, you gotta do it with a little attitude because the hair moves with you, and who don't love that? It flat irons really well, and I think the reason why the hair moves so good is because it is the Yaki texture. It just flows, it just bounces. Like, sis, you need this in your life, The flat iron process was very easy, very quick. I did do a couple passes because it is a Yaki texture, so sometimes, to get it a little, just straighten out the little crinks, I kind of do more than one pass, and I do work on the back too so that it will lie flat. It was already lying flat, but I want it to be flat. You know me, when it comes to my wigs, I'm a little extra. I want it to look as natural as possible. Yes, it's a wig, but there's no way you're supposed to just look at my head and know that it's a wig, you know what I'm saying? So this here was really nice. I did wear this here for my birthday. I just had a birthday the other day on Wednesday, the 20th of June. So I did install this here for that, and it was lovely. Like, at first I wasn't sure because I haven't worn a bang wig in forever, but it kind of grew on me and I loved it. And everyone seemed to like it. I get so many compliments from wearing this wig. It is so easy. Once you style it, you can style it on your mannequin or you can style it on your head like I'm doing. You want to go in and you want to kind of curl the bangs a little bit, not too much, just a little. You can pull the wig back so the bangs go up a little if you don't want it covering your eyes. That's what I did. You guys are going to see that. I just pulled the hair back some, and that did the trick. You don't have to trim the bangs. You don't have to cut them. The thickness of the bang was just perfect, honestly. So you don't need to go in and kind of trim it or anything like that. It just works. You can just separate it if you want. As you can see, I'm pulling the wig back some so that the bangs will be above my eyes, and that little part in the middle there, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and I'm just gonna flatten it using my wax stick. just to ensure that I get that flat so it's natural. The lace on the top was really nice. It already came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, everything. I didn't even put any concealer on it. So that is my wax stick that I'm putting on. And then I'm going to use my hot comb just to lay it flat. You kind of want to do that because it had a little bump. Nothing crazy, just a little. So this wig was easy to install, guys. And if you want to switch it up a little, like do something new, do something different, then this is a perfect wig for you. It is easy to install. There's no glue. You don't have to worry about gluing it down. When you get in from work, you can take it off. It is summer. Summer is coming. You're gonna want to remove your wig whenever you get home. You just want to pop that baby off and put it away until you get up the next day. You know, it's a throw on and go kind of wig, and it take less than a minute or so to install. Once you do the initial install and run your flat iron through, you just pop her on and pop her off as you like, because it's summer. Nobody want to have too much hair in their head. If you hot, you just want to take that off. Okay, so all the links to the hair is going to be in the description box. So if you're interested, go ahead and pick the wig up. The links will be in the description box. Everything you need to know about Luvme here, everything you need to know about this 10-inch bob wig will be in the description box. I really love this wig, and you know Luvme here, they always produce great quality hair at an affordable price, and you can always go ahead and switch it up. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Keep slaying, queens. Bye.